Alright, welcome back to BC Farms. So, today we been hand baling hay. I made that one, and then I'm working on this one. And then we got a bunch more to do because we got a bunch of hay there. Sell them on marketplace for around $1 a bale. So, if my phone would quit acting up, maybe we could get some stuff done. I want to set y'all over here. Maybe we could do this. Let me get some hay twine. Doing that right now. I need to buy some more. Buy another roll. So my baler is acting up. So, and I ain't got time to sit there and take about a week trying to fix it and get it to where I can bale because it's supposed to rain here for long next week or this week, whenever it was. So I'm stuck with doing this for a while. Try to make it into a roll, like a round bale. Crap. There's that. I probably need to go around the ends of it. Yeah, I'm going to do that, kind of tighten it up some, make it a little bit better, make it more quality like. I try to bale and sell quality hay. If it ain't quality, then it ain't gonna get no good. Don't worry, I see that piece. I guess I'll just put it there. Oh, here it is. There we go. I thought I made another bell. I guess I didn't. I'm tired. This hay don't have no trash in it or nothing. It's just, I'm not sure what kind of grass it is, but it looks quality. It looks good. I don't need more. Make a better bell. That much will do it. I'm gonna try something a little different. So if you want any hand rolled hay, then just hit me up and on Facebook Marketplace, and I'll sell you what I got. I'm not gonna put it up yet. I'm not gonna put it up for sale just yet. I ain't got enough hay to do that. But when I do get enough, I'll throw it on there. See if anyone buys it. You could feed this. You could feed it to animals, or you could use it for like bedding, something like that. Use it for whatever you want. I don't care. As long as I make a little bit of money on it, so I could start my business. Working too good. It might be bad. It might be good enough. Yeah, that'll be good enough. to deal with a lot of twine now, but it's not that bad. You'll have to, if you buy it, you'll have to come get it. I don't have a way to bring it to you just yet, but I'm going to try to work on it. I may ask, there's a girl I know, it's got cattle. I may ask her if she wants to buy buy some bales. She might need some hay for her horses or whatever before I throw them on marketplace. Oh, there's another bale. That one's tied up pretty good. Now you know how I'm making hay. So, I guess I'll let y'all go and I'll see you next video.